Hello, hello, good day everyone. So I hope to start, I hope na okay ang mga exams ninyo, no? But sad to say, going back to reality, let's kuha na tayo, mag-discuss na. So we are done sa atong P1 sa the basic and the fundamentals of calculus 2 or the integral calculus, no? So we go to the indefinite and definite integrals, trigonometric, integrals involving trigonometric, inverse trigonometric, and also the hyperbolic functions, no? So for P2, we must expect that we will be tackling same same problems but different approach by using simpler and easy techniques na atong paggamiton, no? And expect that we will be dealing um, functions, trigonometric, and kung sa itong mga topic sa P1. So, to begin with, um, I will be sharing my screen. Okay, will be directly na parang to pakita on sa itong topic ngayon. So, can you see my screen? Okay, so I, I, I guess it is a yes. So, for today, our topic will be integration by parts. Okay? Integration by parts. Maybe some of you are familiar na sa integration by parts, and but we need to discuss it, no? Integration by parts. So to begin, ito na ning sugdan dalit sa, no? So this is our topic, integration by parts. So the general equations of butang sa general equation or formula. Let's use this term, formula. It's dealing mathematics, no? Formula for integration by parts is this. So you need to kuha lang, no? Parang master or kung pwede memorize. Yes, memorize. Memorize is the kuha, no? So the f of x times the g prime of x, g prime of x, okay, dx is equal to the f of x times the g of x minus the integral of g of x times the f prime of x dx. Okay, so this is the formula, no? So technically, if aton tanawon, we can see that we have two functions, no? The f of x and the g of x. So more na, no? So integration by parts man. So it means we're dealing two parts, two or more parts, no? But for the general equation or formula for the integration by parts, so f of x and g of x ang yang gamit, no? So this diri na dahil na to, ang kaning general equation is equal ani. Okay? Equal ani in which ang integral ani kaning nasa green ang atong isolve. while the kaning nasa sort of purple is as is na ni siya. Okay? If it is a whole number, we can simplify it. Okay? Or na ay ko ano, the very common na kuan gyapon ni siya kanang way. Another way or another formula is this for the integral. Oops, let's use another color. The integral of u dv is equals to u v minus the integral of v du. Okay? Ang kuan lang ani, ang trick lang ani is this, is that na ni siya since by parts man, so ato i-label ang per parts, okay? So let u is equals to the f of x, okay? I-connect na to sa first, no? Sa first formula, no? Sa first general, no? Then, let v is equals to the g of x. G of x. Okay? Then, the du, normal, no? Murag sa u substitution lang, no? Like, the du is the prime of x, the first derivative of the function. Okay? While dv is equal to the g prime of x. Okay? So, ganyan siya, no? Ganyan siya, no? So, technically, I know, as a student, yapon, para sa inyo, we cannot, or we barely appreciate the formula or the equation, no? Labi na purely discussion lang without the example. So, para inyong masabtan og ayo, let's proceed na diretso sa mga example, okay? Because with the example na ihatag is atong makita kung unsaon na paggamit. Okay? Okay, sa ako kada ko ang kuan dapat itong atong online whiteboard. Okay? So, diretso ta no? Proceed. Example 1. Okay. Example 1 ta diretso. Okay? Find. Okay, let's find the integral of x sine x dx. Okay? Maklaro ra ba? No? I hope no medyo masabtan ra no ako nga din no. Oops. Okay. The integral of x sine x dx. Okay. So first let's use this ano. Hindi ako i-number no. Ako i-number. This is the 1 and this is the 2. Okay. So gamiton na to ang number 1 una no. Number 1. So f of x of g of x minus the integral of g of x times multiplied by the f prime of x dx. So atong gamito no. So before na mo engage to sa equation, ato sang by parts. By parts gani. So pangita nato x, g of x, the f prime of x, the g of x, okay? So let's proceed no. So f of x ang technically atong makuha na nino pareha ra gyapon ni sila gawas no. So f of x ay let oops let let f of x So, if imo makita, unsa tong pwede ma f of x ani? Given sa ako, no, sa equation 1, atong makita, no, sa equation 1, here, is ang f of x is ang first na function. So, atong makita dire, ang first na function is x. So, it is the f of x. Okay? Ana, no? Naan sa pagtanaw, no? Ato gisisahon, no? Then, since f of x, kailangan nato f prime of x, kung ano sa nato ang f prime of x. So, the derivative or f prime of x, oops, is equals to what? The derivative of x is 1. Okay, 1. Okay. 1. Next step is the g of x. Okay. So, g of x. Then, makita nato sa equation is ang g of x is ang sunod, no? G prime of x. Okay? Ay, g prime of x, dili g of x, no? G prime of x. So, unsa man ang g prime of x? Ay ikaduwa man na function. So, meaning, ang x sin x is ang ikaduwa. Okay? So, kung ako yung i-label, this is the first function. Okay? And this x sin x is the second function. Or meaning, if second, that is the g prime of x. So, g prime of x is equals to sine of sine x. Sine of x and sine x. Okay? Again, I encourage you na, yes, memorize, but as always ako ingon is it's better na inyong you call this, inyong master ang, what you call this, ang mga derivatives, ang mga basic na to na fundamental sa kuan, sa calculus, sa engineering, trigo, so ganyan. Okay? The tables, ato mga best friends na tables, ato gina silang ipang kuan. Okay? So, bali, no? Gitag derivative ko na tong original function. So, what function na ko na to yung derivative is mahimo siyang sin of x. So, the g of x, okay, the g of x is equal to what? Okay, negative cosine, x. Okay. So, with that, no, nakuha na nato mga parts, no? Ato nang na hinay-hinay o kuha ato mga parts. So, ato na mo proceed na sa Formula 1. Okay? Ato input. Input na to para atong tanawon. So, the integral of x sin x is equals to, so i-follow no, f of x. Unsa atong f of x? That is x. Okay? Then the g of x. What is the g of x na to? So, we can see it is the negative cosine x. So, ato gyapon ibutang. So, with kung ano kanang neatness or formality sa dili formality kanang para di lang ka maglibog, no? Use parenthesis, no? Yung multiplication mo gyapon na. Cosine x. So, kumana ta sa tong first part. Then, minus. Ato i-subtract from the integral of g of x. Okay. The integral of g of x. What is g of x? So, may g of x dire. Wait. Yeah. What is the g of x here? So, it is the negative cosine x. The negative cosine x. Okay. So, then what is the f prime of x? So, it is 1. So, it is 1. So, for the sake of discussion, ato ipakita, no? Then dx. Okay? That's it. Then, second, ato try na to simplify. If niyo mo simplify. Okay? So, the first part, this part. So to simplify, no? So that is negative x cosine x. Okay? Simplify gid ano? If na ka simplify para dili mahimong complex. Then, ani, this is the integral of negative cosine x times 1 dx. So we all know cosine x, anything multiplied by 1 is the number lang, no? Pero negative man, so pwede na to siya i-plus. Okay. Then, ato din isolve ang ato din siyang isolve ang integral of negative cosine x. So, siya ra may mabili, no? So, negative cosine x. So, kabalo na to, no? Negative cosine x or cosine x. Sige, ako na lang ipakita, no? Ako ipakita sa inyo, ha? So, the integral of cosine x dx. Okay, apa ba? Tinapa. So, again, this is negative x cosine x plus, what is the integral of cosine x? No? If we recall, the integral of cosine u du is equals to sine u du. So, easier, ano? Sine x. Okay? Since wala may limit, so, dili na to kalimtan ang plus c. And that's it for our first answer. Okay? So, inana ra, no? Nanaon ra siya pag solve, no? Yung ka, sir, let's try that kaning kadua. Sige, ikaduha, no? Ikaduha. Kaning ikaduha na kanila ito i-try. So, sa way 2, sa ako sa nang ipa ng audio, no? Padako atong whiteboard para okay. So, okay na ni. Okay. Sa second kwanta, sa ikaduhang way, the integral of sine x dx gyapon, no? Brush there. The integral gyapon of x sine x dx. Pero using this, the second, the integral of u dv is equals to uv minus, di ba? Minus gyapon. You can see the resemblance. U dv, u is for the f of x, v is for the g of x. Yeah. Inana ra no, pareha ra gid sila, no? Technically. So, before we start, ato sa gid siya i-arrange kay integration by parts man. So, there are parts. So, atong ko ano no, let u is equals to, since u is the first function, so u is equals to x. Then the du of x, ay du, and the dx is what? So 1, no? So, gawas lagi ako na no, na dx, or yeah, dx. That u, du, then ang next is v, ay dv. Let's use dv. And the dv na to, ang second is ang sine x. Ito ba? Okay. Sakto, no? Sine x. And the v is equals to what? Negative cosine x. So, it's important, no, to familiarize or practice your skills, no, labi na sa mga theorems, sa mga identities, minana, no, always gina-remind ako, no. And ani, so diretso na, no. Same goes sa itong gihimong una. So x, the integral of x sin x dx using the second is the integral u dv equals uv minus integral of v du is u. What is u? X. Okay? Then, UV man ni siya, UV. So, akong ilisa ng X. UV is negative cosine o gamit ko pagkuhan atong manumanuhon. Cosine X. Oops. Minus the integral of V du. Integral of V. What is V? So, again, negative cosine X. And what is du? Hmm? C du. No? 1 or dx, no? So, 1 naman. May mabili, no? So, that is 1, no? But natog 1. So, wala na lang, no? So, the integral of cosine X dx na lang, no? So, okay. Again, simplify. It is negative X cosine X minus plus na ating simplify na, no? The integral of cosine X is what? Sine X plus sine X plus C. Okay. So, okay. And that is our final answer. So, di ba? Pareha ra sila. Okay. Yeah. Pareha ra na sila, no? Mm-hmm. So, that is the introduction of integration by parts. Okay. Another ko na to. Example. Okay. Butang ta. Example 2. And this is find the integral of, wait, that's na gid siya. Ln x dx. Okay, ln x dx, no, makita nato, no, kung kinahon na lo. Sir, pwede ka nung, isa ra lagi naka-function, sir, na kailangan tag f of x and g of x, no? Okay, so, ato ning kono, no? Ato ning himay-himay yun, no? Pakita na ako sa inyo yung technique or sa process and how to deal with it. Okay? The integral of ln x. So, okay, pili lang ka, no? Pili ta. So, let's use UDV, no? Katong mga UDV. So, let U, okay, warag short, and pareha ra mga sila, no? Just lang katong first is the long term, long kon na, long equation, which is di kuan na siya, no? Di pareha siya sa yung kalkuan that is product rule. Yeah, product rule. No? Medyo dito siya gikan, no, sa product rule, no? Yung family, no, product rule, then dito din di kuan din siya na kung sa derivatives, sa differential is inani, yani po ang integral. So inana, no? So UDV ang gamiton, no? Let U is equals to ln x. Okay, ln x. Oops. And the du, what is the du of ln x? Okay, kanipod, naran ni sa mga theorems, no, or formulas, no? Du is, no need to, ako na ni ano, nana ang mga formulas ani nila, no, or mga answer directly, no? Dx. Okay? Then the dv. Sa man ang dv? So, wala man tayo kung anong. So, inani, no? Inani ng mga case. Ang dv nato is what? What is the dv? So, kailangan man tag dv. What is our dv here? dv. So dv is, yun, wala mo pag na estudyante no, ulat-ulat, tubag, hindi isa. So the dv here is the dx, no? Dx. Okay. Then the v, okay, is equals to what? X. So ato na din ibutang. So again, sa atong formula, the integral of u dv is equal to u and v. Okay, memorize na to. U and v. What is u? Ln x. And what is v? X. So ln x times x. Okay, nandito no? Minus. So ito familiar. Integral of v du. Integral of v. What is v? X du. That is 1 over x dx. So, okay. Ayun na kayo, no? To simplify is x ln x. Oops. Oops. Minus. Simplify na to, no? Please, simplify, no? X times 1 over x. Pwede na to ni ma-simplify, no? We can cancel out this x. Bang, bang. Okay? So, mabilin is 1. Or technically, mabilin na lang is ang dx. 1 dx. Pareha na nag-result, no? The integral of 1 is x. Oops. Okay? So, ang answer, ano na eh? The answer, x and then x minus, what is the integral of dx? 1 dx. Ibot ng tug 1. Libog pa mo. Oops. Kasi integral sa 1. So, that is ko, no? Nagya po na sa theorem, no? Kasi may balo. So, that is x, no? 1x or x lang plus c. And that's it. Mo na na answer. Okay. So that's for our number 2, no? Okay, number 3. Ito ta sa number 3, in which, let's go deeper na. Let's go deeper. Kung makabantay mo, more into kung ano, natural numbers, trigonometric, di magid mo maglisod kay numbers. Dili eh. So, functions lang ni wala. Inyo raning LFU, no? Lahi ang process, no? Sa mga number lang, pero functions, trigo, here, integration by parts ta. Oops. Green man lain. Okay, example number 3. Okay, let's dive deeper, no? Let's dive deeper sa atuang discussion. Let's find. Maray yung mga favorito. Kana ba itong makita ninyo, madlock na mo. The integral of t squared t to the power of t. Diba? Minani bitaw. Bisan ako, sa estudyante ba ako, adlock ko ni. Nakita na ako ni. Wala. Bisan-lisang. Okay? So again, ato ning kuno, no? Ato ning praktisan. So, balik ta, no? O balik ta sa ato ang gipang solve. Kung nakabantay mo, dapat ang atong i-aim is that the integral of v du is only a one function, no? One function lang gid na. Nakabantay mo? Dire, example 1. Negative cosine x rin na bilin. Okay? That is one function. So, integrable na kay siya. Ma-integrate na siya diretso, no? Okay? Example number 2. 1 dx. So, ma-integrate na siya diretso. So, you can find directly the answer. There are, what you call this, there are cases na pagbalik, pag adto nimo is, duwa gyapon ang kaning sa video, duwa. duha gyapon ka function, okay? And ato ning i-discuss, okay? Just just like the example ani, okay? Duha balik-balik bitaw repetitive. Duha gyapon, saan man ni nako sir? Okay? So again, worry, wala tay laing himuon no. Let you ana-ana ra gid no. Integration by parts gid siya. By parts gid siya. So din na resultang you no. So what is the u? That is t square. Okay, siya may una na function. And the du, the derivative of t square is 2t. Okay, then dv, that is dv. So our diva is e r of t. While the v, since this is a natural kung ano, Euler's number, wala mag-change, no? Still e over e to the power of t. Okay, so ito na i-input, i-plug in na nato, no? I-plug in nato. Okay, para pag in nat ato'y pag-plug in, ma-arrange na, no? Muna yung purpose, no? Natay u, du, dv, plus v, excuse sa hmm. Okay, let's have a water break sa muna. So, hello. So, balik, no? So, nanatay ko, ano? Nato na ako ng mga parts. So, ato na i-input. What is u? T square. Okay? Sige to, u. Sige, atong formula. Balikan mo sa nato. Ay, kaulaw. uv. Okay, uv. What is v? Et. Et. Minus. Sagot niya ka na. The integral of v du. Integral of v du. V. What is v? Et. Du. Du. What is du? Oh, du. What is du na to dire? Di ba 2t? Sakto dili. 2t. 2t. Okay? dt. Hmm? Di ba? Muna akong ginaingon ganina. Like this. We aim na only one function ang nasa inside sa katong integral of kuan sa sulod sa kuan sa atong equation. But kani duha gyapon ni ka function. So dili gyapon nato makuan. So what we will do is tungod basta inani gani ang mahitabo kita kag duha man gyapon ni. Bro mo balik-balik ra ani nakuha ra man akong derivative sa ito. Mao nangan dayon. No, di ba ani video. Video dapat isa ra daw. Duha gyapon ni diri. Nga dili pa gid ako ma-integrate. Saon man ko ni? Kung di magamit, so ang atong himuon is ato inang i-integrate by parts ang kanina side. Okay? I-assist lang natin negative kana so ang atong kwan is e t 2 t. Okay? Again, by parts man. Ato ikon yung parts. Okay? Let U. Sama ng U is that is wait be. Okay. One ko. So we can simplify this no. Be. Yeah, we can simplify this. Pwede na to ni mapagawas ang whole number no. Sorry no. Nakakuan ko. Pwede na to ni kuan no para mas makita nato. So ang magawas ani is E T T. Di ba? ETT. Sada kay tanawon or ato i-rearrange. Rearrange na to no. So this T oops E to the power of T. No? Okay? Paano na siya no? DT. Hindi DT. Kung na to iyahang mga let U no. So U. What is the U here? Ang pabalo na tanong. Na, then, what is the U? U is equals to T. Then the du and the dt of t is 1 dt. So dt, sigura dt. Okay, or 1. dv, et, and the v, oops, is still et. Okay. So, ato i-plug in. Okay? Ato i-plug in, no? So, the integral, ato sa ipagawas ang 2, no? Pagawasan natin 2, ang kanilang nasulod sa i-integrate, no? So, ato equals, yan, equals, excuse me. So, T, U, balik na sa Juan. UV, what is the V? ET, T, E, T. Okay. Minus, to minus, the integral of, balik na, V du. What is V? ET gyapon. ET. And what is du? And that is dt. Okay? Or 1. No, anak, no? So, unsaon man ni? So, kani, pwede na ni siya kuan. Kuan, no? Pwede na ni siya mabutang dire. Sa first na itong nakuha. No? Tanaw na to ha. Saan mo ko ni? Sige, ako i-copy ni ha. Nakakuha man ta ani. Okay? Nakakuha ta. Then, ang atong gisolve is then, ang atong gisolve is kani. Diba? Kani. Ato ning gisolve. Then, ingon siya na ang kani daw is ako ikuan ha. Ng color kani. In which kani siya is equal daw ani. Oops. Equal siya ani. So, si kasabot. So, pwede na to ni siya ma-replace ang kaning na orange, no? Kaning orange, pwede na to siya ma-replace ani. Okay? Pero don't forget the 2 ha, kasi malipat mo ba? 2. So, ang atong final na di ay, oops. So, atong final na is P2 ET minus, no, naman tayo 2, no, gipagawas na to na 2, then, kani. Pero pwede pa natin i-simplify, no? Kaya ang answer ani is, kaya ang integral of E of t, kaya mura man na. E of t lagi po, no? TE R of t minus ET plus C. Okay. Sakto? So, pwede na to siya i-input. Ang kanina itong i-input, no? Kanina yellow box. Dilo daw rin, left. Ay, kanina purple. Ay, kana to i-input, no? So, may tabo is 2 times T plus, oops, E T plus C. Tense. So, nanata sa 95%, no? So, ato din i-simplify. That is T2 ET. Negative 2 times TET, that is negative 2. Wait, so. This is negative. Ay, mali ko Negative ni, no? Sorry. Sorry. Negative ko ni. Positive to ang butang. Negative, no? Negative 2 T E to the power of T. Negative times negative is that is positive 2. Oops. ET. Then, negative 2 times multiplied by C is negative 2C. Okay. Pero, yeah, pwede na ni siya na-answer, no? Technically, no? Okay na siya na-answer na. Pero, tukuan lang, katong plus C ang mugawas, okay? Is still, kani gyapon naton himuon, no? Ato ni copy, okay? Still kana gyapon, pero, kung mag-plus C ta, yeah, pwede plus C. I-indicate nato na where C equals negative 2C. Okay? Ana. So, and this is our final answer. And then, wait, drama gagawin. Gagawin ko. Yun na to final answer. That's it. Okay? So, last na to, no? Let's use the kuan kanang naay limits. Okay? Use tag naay limits kay pero mura magyud sila process, no? Kaya unahon lang nato ni ang walay limit in order na ma-master nato kay kung naay limit mura magyapon integrate if after all the integration then naay limits may upper bound and lower bound then ato input, no? Kasi mali kung term na limits, no? Comfortable na ko gamit, no? Pero yeah, the upper and lower bound then ato ra yung i-input. For the sake of discussion, ato kung isa ka ano, isa ka problem involves na naka-bound siya. For example, Oops. Example. Ano yung number? 4. Example 4. Okay? And this will be the last now. And mag-breaks ako. Yun sa tubig. Excuse me. So example number 4. Resume ta. Find the integral of inverse tan x of dx bounded by 0 to 1. Okay. Again, by parts. Atong i-indicate yung parts. Okay? Indicate yung parts. Okay? So kung mag-exam, I appreciate, no? Magbutang ani, no? Then, like chance. Okay. Tagan ako kuhan. Perfect score. Pinani. Dapat na ani, no? Kita niya sa mga exam, no? Then 1x. du is equals to, okay, na ani ko ano? Sa table, no? That is equivalent to 1 plus x squared. 1 over ano, dx. Then the dv equals to dx. Then dv is x. Okay. So, kung ano yung libog, ano, no? May basic na to, no? So, ato na yung i-input. Balik down. So, dito, uv. What is u? It is the inverse tan of x. 1 x. Then, the v is what? X. Okay? With that, naman sila yung mga x. So, pwede yung tumabot ng ang bound. Yan ang mga bound. So, yung bound is what? 0 to 1. Note. Magbutang kog note. Dealing with trigonometric functions, labi na i-bound, convert your calculator into radian. Okay? Radian, ha? Pinaka-degrees mo na. So, ato i-radian, no? Radian na to. So, dapat yung calcu is naka-radian. Okay? Sige, ha? Kung ato i-simplify, no? I-simplify na to sa calcu. So, radian, that is equals to pi over 4. Okay? Pi over 4. Minus the integral of 0 to 1. Okay? Integral of 1 plus x squared. Ito, dx. No? So, ano nga naman na, sir? Nakabalik ka din, no? VDU. Okay? V. VDU. The du is this. The v is x. So, wala din ako nabutang x. Ano din? X dx. So, ato i-ano? Simplify. So, that is something. Oops. That is pi over 4 minus the integral of x. Okay? 1 plus x squared. Bounded to 0 to 1 dx. Okay? So, kani, lahi na siya, no? Ang kaning x over 1 plus x squared, so gamitan na nato na og ano, kato to mga basic na to ng hibal ano. So, pwede na to gamiton na ni is, unsa man, let u, no? U substitution nato, no? So, u, what is our u here? So, we all know, the denominator, no? 1 plus x squared. So, the du here is 2x. Sakto? Dx. Oops, hindi. Wala na yun na. X na din na diya. Okay, u naman na. Okay? So, atong paano? 1 over 2x du is equals to dx. Okay. So, na natin kung ano. Pwede na nato ni siya solve. So, ang atong say kada ako Okay. Pwede na to ni siya ano. Resolve. Resolve na to. So, integral. Wala akong sa nato ang limit, no? X over u. Okay? X over u. Okay, atong maninggilat u. Times or multiply by dx equals to 1 over 2x du. Integrating factor na to is du. So, pwede na sa nato i-simplify. Bang. Oops. Bang. And, ang mabilin is 1 over u times 1/2 du. Since ina naman, pwede na 'to ipagawas ang 1/2. Then atong i-integrate is ang 1/u na lang du. And we all know sa table, 1/u is equals to ln absolute value of u plus c. Okay? So ang answer ani is 1/2. And what is our u? 1/2 ln 1 plus squared. Okay? Oops. To note, ato i-note, na diri. Okay? Ini siya input. Okay? So ang mahitabuan na is equals to pi over 4. Ang pi over 4, okay naman na, no? Ato naman na kuha, no? Gigamitan og bound. Minus kani. But ang kanina side is atong button og kung ano, iyahang limit or limit that is 0, 1. Okay? Still ln. I-read yan, no? Then, ang equivalent ani kung ato ibutang sa tong calcu, that is 0.4388. And mauna ang final answer. Okay? And that's all. Okay, and that's all for the kuano integration by parts. And the problem solving will be sent sa Google Classroom and also with the recording, no. So please see na kuano ang atong file, no, para i-review. Then I will be sending a supplementary problem which is inyo i-pass. Okay? Again, since this is P2 na, I will be strict on time ko ano, no, sa time na deadline, time management, no. So class, I'll be sending it by tomorrow. Yeah, by tomorrow. So unya nakita na ninyo. Then okay, kana. Then I hope makapass mo. Okay, i-pass ninyo then late with or without reasons, dili na nako dawato, no. Okay? Para wala lang. Okay, P1 is enough. P2, okay, sabot-sabot lang, no? We things lang. So again, that's it for today's lecture. I hope you learned something and I hope you will practice it. Okay? So again, thank you and goodbye, no? Goodbye. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye. Thank you and God bless.